So this is Luca. He's patiently waiting on his brother Sai. Sai is very good looking. He's the most unique colored with his black snout. Yes, and we're off. Very good. Very good. Of course, they're puppies and young, but one run down a dirt road or anywhere in a yard. Come on, Sai, Luca, come. Good come. Good come. You can tell they know they're knowing their names. Come on, Sai bird. Come on. Come on. There you are. There you are. There you are. Are you not the cutest? What about you, Luca? We don't jump, right? No jump. Good boy. That's what I want from you. Sai, can you sit? No?